Oh, boy. I live in California. I teach. I occasionally make films, and lately I've been doing art installations. And I've been doing it for many years, so it's hard to say where I should start or end, so maybe that's a good place to end. Specifically, I didn't come to him until quite late. There was a show of his work in Los Angeles at the Hammer Museum in 2014-15, and I had no idea who he was, but my daughter, who's a painter, was very interested in his work, his life, and she took me there. I think why I got interested in him was that he was interested in being alone. And when I bought a cabin or a house up in the mountains, and I started my 2 Cabins project, it was this search for solitude and how solitude would affect my art practice. So that's the kind of introduction, or the way I interacted with him. And my daughter interacted in a much more special way than that. And so I probably am influenced by her interaction also. Yeah, I'll leave that mysterious. Well, what's so special is it's so powerful and it's so small, and it feels so handmade. The handmade frames, the symbol system that he uses, and how that relates to his own life and to his own place in the world and where he painted. And so all of those things were something I was very interested in. I am interested in one that I don't think is here, and it looks like a cave painting of that you would see with marks on it, as if it was some kind of accounting of a hunting or whatever. And I'm not quite sure what that symbolism meant to him, but I immediately thought it connected to Native Americans. So I like that painting very much.